Meaning of drool.
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 Drool. Drool means to let saliva drip out of one's mouth, typically as a result of being asleep or deeply entranced. The result of drooling is the production of excessive salivation that collects at the corners of the mouth and may dribble onto clothing or other surfaces. It is a natural and common occurrence in infants and young children, but can also be a sign of certain medical conditions or medications that reduce saliva production. Excessive chronic drooling can cause discomfort, embarrassment, and social stigma, and may require medical treatment or management.